Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we're going to be working on the abdominal muscles. My friend is having some trouble with her legs, so today we're going to not raise our legs or our hips for the entire session. All right, Gumby, this one's for you. All right, let's get on a mat. We're going to lie on our back. Our feet will be planted on the floor with our knees up. Starting crunch position, we're going to clasp our hands and cradle our head comfortably in the cradle of our hands. I'm moving my head around to make sure there's no strain on my back. I'm keeping my elbows back, and I want to keep a little gap between my chin and my chest, just so that I can focus when I come up for a crunch on my abdominal muscle and not strain my neck. All right, let's start with some basic crunches. When we crunch up, we're going to exhale and engage our belly muscles. Exhale. Try not to strain that neck. Focus on all your energy on your belly muscles. All right, hold it up. Hold it up. See if you can lift your feet just an inch off the floor. If you can't, that's okay. But this will work a different part of your abs, and keep on crunching. Keep the elbows back, head is back, little gap between the chin and the chest. Keeping that strong core. Four more. 3, 2, and 1, release. All right, let's turn our knees to one side. I'm turning my knees to the right, and I'm going to extend my hand out. I'm going to work the obliques, so the side of the abs coming up. Try not to grab and yank the head. We're just going to gently come up, focusing the energy on the side of our abs. Exhale on the way up. Nice job. Turn it around on our left side and crunch it up. Working on the right obliques. 5 more on this side. 3, 2, and 1. Back to starting position. Still working the obliques. We're going to move our hands back and forth. If you need to support your neck like I do, clasp your hands and cradle the head down so that you're focusing on the obliques and not straining that neck. So today we're not going to strain the neck or the legs. All right, here we go. 4 more. 3, 2, and last one. All right, lie down. Stretch that body long. We're not breaking yet. We're going to clasp our hands, pick up our head, and then gently come up. As we come up, we're going to engage that core. We're going to turn our head to the left. Working the core. Try not to strain that neck. 7, 8, 9, other side. This is a little bit different of an exercise, but I still feel it in my abs. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pick up the feet. Here we go. We're going to climb up to the top of the knee and come down. Climb up and down. Now we're going to climb up, stay there, and hover. Climb up, stay there, and hover off the floor. 5 more like this. 3 more. 2. Last time climbing up the knee. And relax. Now, put your feet together, facing each other in a diamond position. We're going to bring ourselves up. Ready? That's 1. We're going to do 10 at your own pace. You want to make it more challenging? Put your hand behind your head and bring it up. Exhale on the way up. 5, 6, 4 more. 7, and it's perfectly okay to use your hands. 8, 9, last one. All right, take a break, lie down, stretch it long. Deep breath. I feel like I've slid back on my mat. Deep breath, extend the belly muscle, puff that belly out. Exhale. Take a couple more deep breaths like this. And we're going to do every exercise, one more set, and we'll be done. Let's take one more breath. Feels so good. All right, I'm going to slide down on my mat, starting back again. Feet planted on the floor, knees are up, head is cradled in a hand, elbows are back, chin to the chest, there's a little gap. Relax that head, relax the neck. Let's do little crunches. Tiny crunches. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's do 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See if you can pick your feet up just a few inches. Different part of the abs. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, y'all. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, obliques. All right, side of the abs. I'm gonna have my right hand out for balance, using my left hand, elbow to the obliques, working this part, but try not to yank that head, just bringing yourself up. Exhale on the way up, inhale on the way down. Nice job. Give me 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other side, flip it over. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should be feeling it in the right side of your obliques. 8, 9, and 10. All right, come on back. Slide your arms right and left. 3, 4, 5. If you need to support your head like I do, you can still do the same movement with your head cradled in your hands. Keep it going. Doing well. 5 more right here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch it long. And using our head, or we're not using our head, but we're lifting our head, using our belly muscles, going one side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Other side, ready? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Feet back down, planted on the floor. We're going to crawl up to our knees and come on down. Crawl it up and down. Crawl it up. Stay here. Hover on the way down. Head does not touch the floor. And come back up. 4, 5. Hold it. 5 more like this. 7, 8. Last 2. Last 1. All right. Diamond formation. Feet are facing each other, making a diamond shape. Ready? We can come up with our hands. Let's go for 10 at your own pace. Or hands behind the head. 3, 4, 5. All right, 5 more. You got this. 6, 7. I'm still sliding on my mat. 8. Last 2. Last 1. All right, stretch it long. Whew. Stretch out that belly muscle. Puff it out. Deep breath. Let's do one more like this. Send that good fresh oxygen to the belly muscles that we just worked. Feels so good. All right, I'm gonna sit up. All right, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you like this content and I hope you'll subscribe. I'll let you know when I have new videos coming out. For now, have a wonderful day. As always, be well.